Welcome to Module 3. So far, we've explored the fascinating ways AI is transforming diagnosis, decision-making, and patient care. Now it's time to shift gears from what AI can do to how you can actually implement it in your healthcare setting. In this module, we'll explore how AI is being woven into the real-world fabric of hospitals, clinics, and practices, not just in theory, but in daily workflows. We'll start by looking at how AI can integrate with your existing medical systems, things like electronic health records and diagnostic tools, without disrupting your current setup. We'll also explore how to evaluate AI tools for clinical use. What makes an AI tool trustworthy? What kind of validation should you look for? Then, we'll tackle one of the most critical aspects, change management. Because introducing AI isn't just about installing software. It's about helping your team adapt and thrive alongside new technologies. You'll also get insights into collaborating with AI developers so you can contribute to tools that actually work for doctors, not just tech people. We'll walk you through a pilot project roadmap to help you test AI solutions safely and effectively in your own environment. And finally, we'll spotlight some of the big players, the AI titans, who are revolutionizing healthcare across the globe, and what we can learn from their approaches. This is the module that turns ideas into action. So, get ready to roll up your sleeves, because we're about to explore how AI becomes a working part of your medical practice. Let's begin. Let's now talk about one of the most practical aspects of applying AI in healthcare, integrating AI with existing medical systems. This isn't about replacing what you already use. It's about enhancing it, making your existing systems smarter, faster, and more efficient. First up, enhancing EHR data utilization. You're already familiar with electronic health records, but here's the challenge. They're packed with data, and much of it goes underutilized. Algorithms can comb through EHRs to extract meaningful patterns. For example, they can flag early signs of kidney disease by connecting scattered lab reports and medication histories, something that might take a human hours to cross-check. The result? Faster decisions and better patient outcomes. Next, addressing data interoperability. Ever had trouble accessing patient data that came from another hospital or even another department? AI can help bridge this gap. AI-powered platforms are now being designed to translate and synchronize data across multiple systems, ensuring you get a complete picture of the patient, regardless of where the data came from. Think of it like Google Translate, but for hospital data systems. Third, standardizing clinical workflows. We know how time-consuming administrative tasks can be. AI can streamline these workflows by automating routine processes, from scheduling follow-ups to triaging cases. This doesn't just save time, it also reduces the administrative burden and makes care delivery more consistent. Fourth, personalized treatment recommendations. Not every patient responds to the same treatment, and AI can help with that. By analyzing large data sets, including patient history, genetics, and even lifestyle data, AI can suggest treatment options that are tailored to each individual. Let's say two patients have the same diagnosis, but different medication responses. AI can detect those nuances and recommend the most effective path forward. And finally, predictive analytics for early intervention. Imagine being alerted to a potential cardiac event before symptoms appear. That's the power of predictive AI. By spotting patterns over time, AI models can help identify at-risk patients much earlier, enabling timely interventions and better preventive care. So, to sum up, integrating AI with your existing systems isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. It helps you use your data better, streamline your workflow, tailor your treatments, and anticipate patient needs, all within the tools you're already using. Now that we've explored how AI can be integrated into your existing systems, let's take a closer look at something just as important, evaluating the right AI tools for your clinical use. Because let's face it, not all AI is created equal. Choosing the right tool is a bit like choosing the right medication. It has to fit the patient, the setting, and the expected outcome. So, where do we start? First, we look at the criteria for selecting AI tools. We need to ask, is this tool clinically relevant? Is it accurate, reliable, and scalable? Can the staff actually use it with ease? Think of it like choosing a diagnostic machine. If it's too complicated, it won't be used properly. If it's not reliable, it can't be trusted. Next comes validating AI algorithms. It's not enough for a tool to claim it works. We need proof. This means rigorous clinical validation, from trials and bias testing to long-term performance checks. Would you trust a new drug without trials? No, the same logic applies here. Then we have regulatory considerations. This is non-negotiable. AI tools used in healthcare must meet strict compliance standards from the FDA or your country's health authority, and they must protect patient data like any other medical record. No approvals? No entry. Now, here's a crucial piece: clinician engagement. You, as a practitioner, must be involved in the evaluation and feedback loop. Why? Because only you know what fits into your workflow, your decision-making process, and your patient's needs. The best AI tools collaborate with doctors, not replace them. Finally, we can't forget ongoing monitoring and refinement. Just like a treatment plan, AI needs regular review. We must constantly monitor its performance, spot any issues, and refine the algorithm to ensure it continues delivering value safely and effectively. So in short, selecting an AI tool isn't just about what's flashy or futuristic. It's about fit, function, and feedback. It's about making sure the AI serves your clinical judgment and not the other way around. Up next, we'll talk about how to manage change and adoption strategies within your organization to make AI implementation smooth and sustainable. Let's continue. Let's pause for a moment. Imagine you've brought in a powerful new technology that could transform how your team works, but they're unsure, hesitant, even resistant. What went wrong? It's not about the tool. It's about the transition. That's where change management comes in, and trust me, it can make or break your implementation. Start with assessing current skills and knowledge. Before you teach, you must understand. Evaluate where your staff currently stands. Do they know the basics? Have they worked with similar tools before? Are there skill gaps? This step is like diagnosing before prescribing. You want to meet them where they are, not where you expect them to be. Next, develop a training plan. Training isn't one size fits all. Design a program that covers the essentials: what the tool does, how it works, and most importantly, how it fits into their daily workflow. Tailor the content to different roles. A nurse may need different training than a technician or an administrator. Then, provide hands-on training. People learn best by doing, not just watching. Create a safe space for practice. Encourage curiosity. Let them test the tool, make mistakes, and ask questions. This isn't just training. It's building confidence. Establish ongoing support. Change doesn't stop after training day. Set up a support system. Maybe it's a help desk, a peer mentor group, or even a simple FAQ sheet. Make sure they know, if you get stuck, we've got your back. Now, communicate the benefits. Why should they care? This is key. Help your team see how this tool makes their lives easier, less paperwork, quicker decisions, better outcomes. Don't ignore concerns. Acknowledge them. Be transparent. Remember, people don't resist change. They resist uncertainty. Finally, foster a culture of continuous learning. Technology keeps evolving, and so should your team. Create an environment where learning is encouraged, not forced. Celebrate wins, share success stories, and make exploration a habit. To wrap it up, successful adoption isn't about forcing people to use new tools. It's about guiding them, supporting them, and growing together. Let's move forward, one confident step at a time. Let's take a step behind the curtain. You see the AI tool working, But have you ever wondered what goes into building it right for clinical use? That's where collaboration comes in. And no, it's not just handing over data and waiting for magic to happen. It's about partnership, a two-way street. Let me walk you through how that partnership can work effectively. Step 1. Define clear objectives. Before anything else, sit with your AI development team and define what success looks like. Is it about reducing patient wait times? Improving diagnostic accuracy? Be specific. When goals are clear, outcomes are aligned, and so is accountability. Ask yourself, what are the clinical outcomes I care most about? Jot them down. They're your North Star. Step 2. Share clinical insights. You are the expert in your domain. The developers? They need your insights to build tools that actually fit your reality. Share the workflow pain points, recurring challenges, and what your team wishes could be easier. Remember, AI is only as good as the context it's built for, and that context comes from you. Step 3. Engage in pilot testing. Now, don't expect perfection in version 1. Pilot testing is where the learning happens. Run the tool in a real-world setting, collect feedback, and refine iteratively. This is your chance to shape the tool before it goes live. So, be honest. Be curious. What worked? What felt clunky? What surprised you? Step 4. Involve multidisciplinary teams. This is not a solo mission. Bring in nurses, techs, administrators, everyone who interacts with the workflow. Each role offers a unique lens. Together, you get a complete picture. And trust me, this kind of inclusion avoids big blind spots later on. Step 5. Ensure compliance and ethics. Finally, and this is big, never overlook regulation and ethics. Your collaboration should also include a conversation about data privacy, fairness, and transparency. Work with the developers to ensure the tool not only works, but works responsibly. Because trust is everything in healthcare. And when AI tools are built ethically, that trust only deepens. Integrating AI in healthcare. A step-by-step journey. All right, let's imagine you're guiding your team through an AI implementation journey in a hospital. Where do you start? What comes next? And more importantly, how do you get it right? Let's walk through the full picture, step by step. No jargon, just real talk. Step 1. Kickoff meeting. Picture this. Everyone's in the same room, doctors, data scientists, IT, and leadership. What's the goal? Alignment. We define why we're using AI and what success should look like. Are we cutting down diagnosis time? Improving patient triage? Enhancing workflow? Here's your first prompt. What is one objective you'd like AI to achieve in your setting? That's your starting compass. Step 2. Data collection and pre-processing. Next up, we prep the fuel for the AI engine. Data. This means collecting the right kind of clinical data, clean, structured, and anonymized. It's not just about having data, it's about having the right data. Take a moment to reflect. What kind of patient data do you currently collect that could help improve care? Step 3. Model development and training. Now, the developers step in to build and train the model. But remember, it's a collaboration. Your feedback ensures the AI understands the real-world workflow and nuances of healthcare. This is where AI stops being a black box and becomes your partner. Step 4. Model evaluation and fine-tuning. Is the model accurate? Reliable? Safe? We rigorously test and tweak. Because in healthcare, there's no room for guesswork. If something feels off, now's the time to speak up. Your role is to validate, test, challenge, and improve. Step 5. Deployment of the AI model. It's go time. The model is now integrated into the hospital systems, EHRs, diagnostics, workflows. The magic? It runs quietly in the background, helping clinicians make faster, smarter decisions. Ask yourself, How would you want the AI to assist you during your busiest hour? Step 6. User acceptance testing. Doctors and nurses now use the tool and provide feedback. This is where we see what works in real life and what doesn't. This stage is critical because user experience determines whether AI sticks or stalls. Step 7. Monitoring performance. The job isn't done after launch. We track how the system is performing. Accuracy, speed, outcomes. AI is a living system. It learns, adapts, improves. Tip: create a feedback loop. Let your team report bugs or successes regularly. Step 8. Project retrospective. Time to pause and reflect. What went well? What surprised us? What can we do better next time? Every AI project teaches us something about technology and about people. Let's take those lessons forward. AI integration isn't a single action, it's a journey. And you? You're not just on the ride, you're in the driver's seat. Let's build better healthcare, step by step, together. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare at an incredible pace. Across the world, countless experts, innovators, and entrepreneurs are working tirelessly to bridge the gap between technology and medicine, creating solutions that were once only imagined. According to Business Insider India, here are 5 AI pioneers who are leading this transformation and revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. Alex Wilchko, founder and CEO of Osmo. Alex Wilchko's Osmo is on a unique mission to digitize smell using AI. Yes, you heard that right. By developing advanced machine learning algorithms that can analyze olfactory data, Osmo is unlocking a new frontier in healthcare. Imagine diagnosing diseases through scent, something only possible through the power of AI. His work opens up new possibilities in diagnostics and wellness monitoring. Claire Novrall, co-founder and chief medical officer at Ada Health. Claire Novrall is bringing together the best of both worlds, medical expertise and AI. At Ada Health, she leads the charge in building AI-powered tools that support clinical decision-making. By combining physicians' insights with AI capabilities, Ada Health delivers personalized symptom assessments and triage tools, helping patients and healthcare professionals manage conditions more effectively and efficiently. Joe Agarwal, founder and CEO of WISA. Joe Agarwal is changing the landscape of mental health support. She is the force behind WISA, an AI chatbot offering 24/7 cognitive behavioral therapy. By leveraging natural language processing and machine learning, WISA provides safe, private, and personalized mental health support to millions worldwide, helping users deal with anxiety, stress, and emotional well-being without stigma or barriers. Kristen Fortney, CEO of BioAge Labs. Kristen Fortney is leading the fight against aging-related diseases. At BioAge Labs, her team uses AI to analyze biological data with the goal of discovering new drug targets and therapies. The mission? To extend not just lifespan, but health span, the number of years people live in good health. Her work brings AI directly into drug discovery and longevity research. Daphne Koller, founder and CEO of Insitro. Daphne Koller's Insitro is where AI meets biotechnology at scale. By applying machine learning to vast medical datasets, Insitro uncovers disease mechanisms, predicts drug responses, and accelerates the development of new treatments. Her work is a powerful example of how AI can reshape how we understand biology, making drug discovery faster and more effective. These pioneers are not just building tools, they are shaping the future of healthcare. Their innovations are helping to detect diseases earlier, support mental health, develop life-saving drugs, and even understand how our bodies work at a molecular level. Let this inspire us all. AI isn't just about automation or algorithms. It's about impacting lives. Great job! You've just completed Module 3. Implementing AI in healthcare settings. Throughout this module, We explored how artificial intelligence is being practically integrated into healthcare, from connecting with existing medical systems to evaluating AI tools for clinical use. We discussed how to manage change, work effectively with AI developers, and roll out pilot projects with clarity and strategy. You also got a glimpse of real-world pioneers who are transforming patient care using AI, showing us the powerful impact of innovation in action. We hope this module has equipped you with a clear understanding of what it takes to implement AI successfully in real healthcare environments. You're now one step closer to becoming an AI-ready healthcare leader. Let's continue our journey in the next module.